हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश क्लास। आज हम 10+2 की विस्टास बुक का चैप्टर नंबर 5 करने वाले हैं, जिसका टाइटल है शुड विजर्ड हिट मम्मी, रिटन बाय जॉन अपडाइक। जस्ट बिफोर रीडिंग द स्टोरी, आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू अबाउट द ऑथर। जॉन अपडाइक is a famous American story writer, American novelist, critic and literary critic who has written this very interesting story. And this story conveys a message for both parents as well as the children. And the story is about the worldview, the attitude of the children and the attitude of the parents, and the different attitude of thinking towards the life. Dear students, this is a story about a daughter, Jo, 4 years old. Jack is a father. Jack started telling the story when she was 2 years old, and every day there is a story session between father and daughter, and the father used to tell the story during the bedtime, and the character of the story used to be a Roger. Sometimes there was a Roger skunk, there was a Roger squirrel, there was a Roger donkey, there was a Roger monkey, and each creature had a problem, and for the solution of the problem, each Roger creature used to go to wise owl. वाइज आउल एक बहुत ही बुद्धिमानी यानी कि आउल था, उसके पास सॉल्यूशन के लिए जाते थे। एंड ही यूज टू गिव डायरेक्शन टू गो टू विजर्ड। स्टूडेंट्स, विजर्ड कौन होते हैं? मैजिशियन होते हैं जो जादू तंत्र मंत्र करते हैं, उनको विजर्ड्स बोलते हैं। तो वाइज आउल यूज टू गिव द डायरेक्शन टू द रोजर प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर द रोजर क्रिएचर्स प्रॉब्लम्स एंड यूज टू सेंड टू द विजर्ड. And he used to go to wizard, and wizard try to solve the problems and always solve the problems, and wizard even demanded the pennies in return. So this was the end of the story. Today there was a new and interesting session of the story. The father starting telling the story to daughter Jo. Once there was a Roger skunk. रोजर स्कंक एक क्रिएचर होता है विच गिव्स ए वेरी बैड स्मेल. द रोजर स्कंक यूज टू गिव द बैड स्मेल. ऑल द फॉरेस्ट क्रिएचर्स, ऑल द वुडलैंड क्रिएचर्स यूज टू रन अवे टू सी द फेस ऑफ द रोजर स्कंक, एंड एवरीबॉडी यूज टू टीज हिम. रोजर स्कंक, स्कंकी skunk Roger comes, and they did not play with him, and he used to start weeping. One day he went to wise owl. The wise owl, I have a problem. All the woodland creatures dislike me and hate me, and they don't want to play with me. Wise owl directed him to go to the wizard. Wizard solved the problem, and he changed he converted his bad smell into the sweet smell of roses by speaking the magical spell. What are the magical spell? आपने देखा होगा बच्चों, कुछ विजर्ड्स होते, मैजिशियंस होते हैं, वो मैजिकल स्पेल बोलते हैं, आबरा का डाबरा छू मंत्र, आपने देखा है. एंड ही चेंज द स्मेल एंड ही स्टार्टेड गिविंग द स्मेल ऑफ रोजेज. व्हेन ही वेंट टू द लिटिल क्रिएचर्स, एवरीबॉडी वाज वेरी हैप्पी एंड दे लाइक द स्मेल. बट the author gives a new twist to the story. When he went to home, my mother was very much upset and very much unhappy, and she got angry to find the bad smell. But Roger skunk was very happy to find the smell of roses. When mother asked about the person who changed the smell, she became extremely furious, and she took the umbrella and went to the wizard back and hit over the head of the wizard. And wizard changed the smell once again. He started giving the bad smell. But here the child Joe becomes irritating, because she thinks that according to her worldview, according to her attitude, she thinks that it was none of the fault of the wizard who changed a good smell. It was the fault of the mummy who hit over the head of the wizard. And she insisted Father Jack, Papa, tomorrow you should tell the story that it was the wizard who hit over the mummy. The title is justified. The wizard should hit mummy, because it was the none of the fault of the wizard, it was the fault of mummy. The father would like to save the mother. According to the perspective of the father, the mothers are disposed to full of love and full of respect. He would like to save everybody's mother. Hitting over the head of the mother does not satisfy Jack. He would like to protect the mother here. Dear students, this is the perception, this is the attitude of thinking about the story. The father rebuked the daughter instead of sharing, instead of understanding, instead of convincing her, and went down where his wife Claire was working. She was extremely tired. He found himself caught in a middle and ugly situation. If she insisted to tell the story, to end the story, that the wizard hit over the mummy, but the father wanted to end the story, it was the mummy who hit over the head of the wizard. So this is the end of the story. Dear students, I would like to tell about the message related to the story. First of all, there are many questions raised in the story. What parents think about the children, whether they are right or wrong. जो पेरेंट्स और गार्जियंस बच्चों के बारे में सोचते हैं, क्या वो सही सोचते हैं? दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, इट दिस स्टोरी कन्वेज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज फॉर बोथ पेरेंट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन. Whatever the parents should think about their children, whatever the parents should expect from the children. And it raises the issue of the attitude. There are two types of attitude. Children's attitudes are confined to the teachers, parents and friends. Their limited area is confined to these three faculties: parents, children and the friends. But on the other hand, the parents are having a broader concept of the attitude. They are very mature, they are experienced. Whatever the parents think, they are right. But the children's thinking is confined to learning from the sometime parents, from the children and from the friends. So we find a lot of conflict and differences between the attitude of the father Jack and the daughter Joe. Joe is having a baby 2 years old, Bobby. एक बॉबी है, उसका भाई 2 साल का है. ये कैरेक्टर बीच में आया है. तो वी फाइंड ए लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड contrast between the attitudes of the Joe and the Jack. The attitude and the worldview of the fathers and parents and Jack are based on the concept of maturity, concept of experience and a wider concept. But on the other hand, the attitude of the children are confined to the friends and the teachers and the parents also. So the children misunderstand and misinterprets the behavior and attitude of their parents, which weakens the bonding and love between father and daughter, between parents and the children. The story gives a very brief message that I want to conclude the story. The parents must understand the feelings and share the feelings and love their children and make them understand. So this is the end of story. Thank you, students.